Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change and switch to Google Maps satellite view. Let's begin. So Google Maps offers different map views to help you explore locations in the way that works best for every individual. And one of the most popular options is the satellite view since it provides a much more detail and high quality view on the location itself. So open up Google Maps, all right? Once you're here, you don't need to log into any account. You can just simply go over here, all right? So you can see this part, it says satellite. So this is actually the layers. So you can click on satellite and switch in between map and satellite, all right? So click on it. So as you can see, it is much more detailed and you can actually zoom in. So for example, we're just going to choose any random spot. I'm going to choose Japan or Indonesia. Okay. So scroll all the way down to any location and you will see it's much more detailed. Just go ahead. It will even show you an aerial view or top view of the city. As you can see, there's houses, the roofs, everything is actually very crisp and clear. So go ahead. All right. I think this is as much as we can go. So right now, this is how you can simply toggle in between satellite view and the map view. All right. So simply click on the layers option over here to go back to the map or the standard map view. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.